Hey guys, welcome back to Chasing the Woodsman. I am Ryan. Today's video is going to be relatively short and sweet. I'm just going to be milling up a couple 2x6s. So with that, let's get going. All right, I've said it before and I'm sure I'm gonna say it again, but for you guys that are new into this, don't waste your time with little logs and trying to grab every little 2x4, every little scrap, every little bit of whatever out of it. Sometimes you just need to make a plan and stick to it, regardless of what kind of waste you're getting out of it. These little logs they don't produce a lot, however, they were free and they came to me really easily, so I was able to grab them and use them for some 2x6s. That being said, I'm just making a 6x6 cant out of this and then grabbing 3 boards out of it. I'm not trying to squeak out of the waste ends, the wane ends, a couple 2x4s just to throw to the side. I don't have time for that, and as you'll discover with little logs, you end up just grabbing what little bit you can out of the good part of that wood and then moving on to the next log, especially when you can get a bunch of little logs. It's just what you do. If you have a big log, you can maybe take the time and squeak it out, but it really comes down to time, guys, that if you think you're gonna go out and buy a wood mill so you can then build whatever you can, just take in account all the time that you're gonna have and cutting little pieces here and there. All right, guys, just like I said, short and sweet. I got 3 2x6s, and I would say beautiful 2x6s milled up and added to my stack for my barn build down here. Thanks for tuning in. Give me a like and a subscribe. Be blessed in all you do. We'll see you next time.